graduated at Bachelor of Elementary Education from Palawan State University, Ross Campus. Ever since I was a kid, I always loved to teach. Anything about teaching. I like science, math, English, and other subjects. That lets me pursuing my passion. This time, let's talk about why you should hire me. These are my strengths: hardworking, creative, and willing. I'm hardworking because I work anything work that I can do, any activity in school at the same time. So if you give me a lot of tasks, so no worries because I can handle it. I work under pressure with quality. I am a creative because being part of my family that doesn't live any luxury, you need to be resourceful. You need to find ways. You need to think new ideas. So I started innovate. I am willing because I still don't know everything and I am work in process. So the process of learning new things, and in fact everyone can be so talented and so capable of doing a lot of things. But not everyone can be available and willing, and that's about it. I hope that you consider my job applications because I believe that this is the stations, this is the place, and this is the moment always been wanting and waiting for. Thank you.